Hi. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Mail app on your Mac to use your new mailbox.my email address for sending emails. This way your emails will have your personalized sender address and you can continue using your existing iCloud email account. We assume that you already have set up your iCloud email account in the Mail app. When we sent you the setup confirmation email, there's a password included which you will need later. Let's begin. Please open the Mail app. In the menu, click on Mail and then on Preferences. Switch to the Accounts tab. Your iCloud email account is shown there. We want to change the email address to your new mailbox.my address, but that is not possible with the default iCloud account. We have to add the account again with the same settings for the incoming email and the mailbox.my server for sending emails. Click on the plus icon to add a new account. Choose Other Mail Account and continue. Enter your iCloud email address. Now we need to generate a password using Apple ID. Open your browser and navigate to appleid.apple.com. Sign in to your app account. On the Sign In and Security page, scroll down and click on App-Specific Passwords. A window pops up. Tap on Generate an App-Specific Password. Choose a name for the password, for example mailbox.my. Then confirm password generation by entering your iCloud password. Now the generated password is shown. Copy the password to the clipboard. Then go back to the Mail app and paste it in the password field. Click on Sign In. An error appears that verification was unsuccessful. We still need to enter the iCloud email servers. For incoming mail server, please enter imap.mail.me.com. For outgoing mail server, please use smtp.mail.me.com. Now when you click on Sign In, verification is successful. Click on Done. Now you have two email accounts, both accessing the iCloud email servers. Select the second account we just added. Click on the email address drop-down and choose Edit Email Addresses. Hit the plus sign. Then enter your name and your new mailbox.my email address. We use John_Apple@mailbox.my here, yours will be different. Finally click OK. Once again click on the drop-down and select the email you just added to make it the default. For the last step we have to change the outgoing email server. Switch to the Server Settings tab. In the Outgoing Mail Server section, change username to your new mailbox.my email address. For the password, copy and paste the password we sent you in the setup confirmation email. Please change the host name to mail.emailman.at. Now untick Automatically Manage Connection Settings. Make sure that in the Authentication drop-down, password is selected. That's it, click on Save. The server settings should verify successfully. We have finished adding the iCloud account manually. Since we do not want the account to show up twice in the Mail app, we can now disable the original account. This will not remove any emails and can be undone at any time. Finally, we are done with all the configuration, so close the dialog and bring up the Mail app main screen. Let's compose a mail from and to our new email address. Note how the From field correctly shows the new email. Enter the same in the To field. Type some text and click on Send. After a couple of seconds, the mail should arrive in your inbox. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your new email address. We hope you enjoy using mailbox.my.